tape it, and make it. Hello, and welcome to Kintex. Today, we will be presenting a taping technique for the golfer's elbow, pain in the area of the inner elbow. First, we will measure a strip from the wrist to right above the elbow. We have prepared a second strip, 6 inches, also our Kintex Classic tape. My colleague will now show you the exact taping technique. First, we divide the backing paper at the base, about 4 inches, tape it above the wrist, and then tape the entire strip, without pulling, on the inner side of the forearm. Over the inner elbow, slightly into the upper arm. Then we take the second strip, pull it over the wrist from below under maximum tension, and let the base run out, each time without tension. Now we rub the whole thing tight, and the taping technique is ready. Thank you for using Kintex. Tape it and make it.